We are back in my dining room because it's 110 outside and we're not building outside. So I'm putting Ashley to work. We're gonna build some floating shelves for my dining room and I'm so excited about it. So let's go. Let's go. Okay, so the first step in building these floating shelves is gonna be to build the cleats. So I've used 2x4s, which are the best 2x4s I've ever had because Jensen went and picked them out and made the guy get the forklift to pull them down.
Oh, seriously?
Literally, they're the best 2x4s ever. I have cut these down to 7 1/4. Don't worry, it's all gonna be on the free plans. But then I've also ripped these 2x4s down to 2 inches because I wanted chunky shelves, but not super chunky. So we're gonna add 1.5 inch pocket holes on each of our cleats. And there's 8 of them, 4 for each shelf. Okay, so all of our cleats will have 2 pocket holes on each side and we'll attach those to the longer board. So I'm gonna get the rest of them done.
The magic of
television.
Wait, I mean YouTube.
So now we are attaching our shorter cleat pieces with their pocket holes into the longer boards. And we're just spacing 4 on each board, 2 on each end, and then kind of eyeballing the center ones and using Ashley's wood glue that she so lovingly brought over.
What did you get to put around it?
I'm using, for the top part, we're gonna be using 1/2 inch hardwood plywood. And then, of course I did the wrong side, why wouldn't I? And then for the, that's for the top and bottom of the shelf. Mm-hmm. And for the outside frame, select pine. So our cleats are done. Nice job, Ash. Way to go. We're gonna set these to the side and build the frames that are gonna go over the cleats. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're gonna be building our frame. No. What would this be called? The box, the carcass.
The carcass.
We're gonna be building the box because I hate the word carcass.
The box.
So this is 1/2 inch hardwood plywood. Actually, it's sanded plywood. And then these are 1x3s that I've cut down a little bit smaller to be thicker. So I think they're 3 inches, I believe. And make sure. Yep, 3 inches. I'm so smart. And so we're gonna add a line of wood glue, and then we're using 1 inch Kreg pocket hole screws, and we're gonna add a line of wood glue.
So we love floating shelves because they are, first of all, so easy and so inexpensive to build, and you can customize them to fit any space in your home. We've got floating shelves in just about every one of our rooms, I think, or we have at some point. We actually have a playlist of so many floating shelves that we've built. You can just click this button and you can see a list of all of them.
So now we're laying it flat and we're gonna add our sides. These are mitered at 45 degrees and so is the front. I did all this before. You can see it in our free plans. But we are just attaching it with wood glue and with the pocket hole screws through the 2 side pocket holes.
I like when you miter the floating shelves because it makes it look like one thick, chunky piece of wood hanging on the wall.
Agreed. That's what I was going for.
Chunky piece of wood?
Yep. So this is gonna be a tight fit, but we're going to set this up now and add our other board. Just ignore that one. Okay, let me add wood glue.
Wait, and go.
Well, crap. I didn't plan that one really well. So the drill doesn't fit, so we are going to now switch to a nailer for the bottom board. Not a problem. The good thing is we did pocket hold the top, which is good for strength, and it also minimizes our nail holes. So I'm gonna go get a nailer on that note.
We always have a plan B, C,
C,
D,
F, Q.
F, G.
Okay, let me get this side first. Man, who made these cuts? Tell you what. Okay, and then can you pull your side out and let me go down? Yeah. I was really excited about my no nail holes, but guys, it's a nail hole kind of day. First box is done. Now we're gonna do it again. Now I'm just marking the straight line for my cleat, and I already have my studs marked, and that will let us attach that cleat to the wall. So I'm gonna do one there, and then we're gonna do one about 14 inches above it. So, kids, childrens, it is time to hang our cleat.
Oh, score.
Yeah. Oh, good, I didn't hit a stud.
Yeah,
I was
that's
hoping I
awesome.
wouldn't. That's
I
great.
love when I don't. At least it came back out.
I bet it's like right here.
Yeah.
Ish. All right, now we are going to put the boxes on for fit, but I'm gonna have to stain them after. But let's just see if they fit and we'll
Okay.
get an idea of what they'll look like. So you just slide it on.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna get this off the wall, give it a coat of stain, and then I have some really cute hardware that I found on Amazon. I'll link to it. These are just the
So
cutest. They're so heavy duty too. I didn't want to totally trust the weight of them, so I'm making them more of like jewelry, like
Yeah.
hardware. I mixed a couple stains to match my dining table, and that's the stain I chose to use for the shelves. I attached each box using wood screws through the top of the box and into each cleat to hold it secure. Then I attached my hardware that I found on Amazon. I'll be sure to link to that. And I love how it turned out. They're so cute, and I have so much storage now in my dining room.
I think they look amazing, and they were so easy and inexpensive.
I know.
And how long are those? Like 4 feet long?
Nope, they're 5 feet long actually.
Dang.
5 feet long, and I think we spent, under $100 in lumber. So
That's a
great.
really good deal. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a video.
Happy building! To flower mound. Oh my gosh, I thought there's a fly in my hair.
No, you have a sawdust.
Thank you.
Totally yours.
Oh, it's mine. I'm glad. Oh my gosh! Awesome! It's so great! Go!
There you go.
One.
I love
These screws.
I love cleats and good screws and studs.
I know. It took you a while to get out.
I did. Haven't been in the construction field in a while.
Beeper. I need the thing.
Why can't we move that?
Because it's so heavy. Oh, I can get it. I can get it. I got it.
He does some like really raunchy movies.
Yeah,
I'm like, whoa.
yeah, I know. I usually don't like his movies because sometimes they're. You may get this one so it's at least here. Give me that.
I'm gonna cry.
Give me that.
Done.
We're so good.